Let's go on this adventure. This is a walk after dinner. It's 72 Fahrenheit, 22.2 Celsius. We did have. It's been windy today. Wind must have blew this from somewhere. We'll just do it over here for now. I got my wind muffler on. We had a cheeseburger, macaroni, hamburger helper. I trimmed the roses today. I still need to trim more though. Yeah. I like looking at the roses. Yeah, I need to trim some more over here too. They're all starting to die out here. Come on. Man, that's a lot to trim too. I trim a lot off of it today. Deadhead them. And we got sunchokes and the squirrel over there on the pool, by the pool, inside the pool. Ooh, we went over there. Go get him. Can't show you my garden. We got to go to the past. Go get him. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? You see him? You see him? That squirrel's pretty fast. You know, this is still spring, but it feels like autumn, going on autumn. Oh yeah, I noticed the other day, I got fruit falling off this tree here. I never knew it had fruit on it yet. They're like a donut peach. Yeah, they are. There's another one here, a donut peach. I don't care too much for those, but I like peaches. But okay, ready?